Hello, my name is Chelsea Slattery. This is my assignment 5, my reflection on my teaching unit and what I would do to change it. I teach kindergartners. I have 19 students in my classroom currently. I have 2 that have IEPs, 5 that are speech, and 14 of them are English language learners, varying degrees. I have 1 that I know for sure that is a trilingual kid, so she speaks Mayan, Spanish, a little bit of Spanish, and English. The goals for my lesson in math are the students will fluently add and subtract within 5 by using the beans and finding the hidden partners 90% of the time. The students will find the number to make 10 by adding the beans to find hidden partners 80% of the time. So first day will be within 5, the next day would be within 10. The learning objectives for both days is they'd be fluently, efficiently, and accurately and flexibly adding and subtracting within 5. The other objective I added to this was for any number from 1 to 9, find numbers that make the 10 when added to the given number. So the first one works with the goal for the first standard works with the first goal, and then the second standard works with day 2 goal by making the 10s. The IC standard is students who use technology to seek the feedback that informs and improves their practice and to demonstrate their learning in a variety of ways. We are lucky in our district that our students have iPads. And it's one-on-one iPad, so they don't have to share. I like doing my exit tickets on Shobi. That way, they fill out their information and their answers on their iPad. I can be wherever I need to be. I can check it, send it straight back, and they have their answers. I also do their problem sets or their worksheets with it on there, and they can fill out the information and get feedback right away. And usually on the problem sets, I allow them to correct, and then the exit tickets are what I use to make sure that they actually understand. With this lesson, what I did for this is I have beans, and I started on day 1 with just 3 beans in the bag that they gave, and they were able to split it with the lines, and then we had the sentence starter on the board where they did 1 plus 2 equals 3, and we went up from there to 10 with the lines, and I keep giving them the beans. I liked this idea because then I could also flip the bag, and they can see, for instance, like this one is 4 plus 6 equals 10. They can flip the bag, and it's 6 plus 4 equals 10. So they see that flipping numbers of the manipulating of the numbers. And I liked the beans in the bag because the items are not everywhere. It's not easily to be messed with. The only downfall with the bags is if you have any that do have the slightest amount of air, the bags make it a little bit more noisy. But then with them going off to first grade, we do a lot of number bonds. So one way I decided to fix this lesson is to add the number bonds. This way the number bonds could be first put in the beans, and then they can manipulate them out into the number bonds and fill in their numbers on the number bonds, then put it in the number sentences. Again, they can still flip it to get that other number.